drawing Titan X from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. So I'm going to be starting with his eye about maybe right here. And so maybe we can erase that bottom part. And so now I'm just going to have this coming up. I'm going to use a different pencil. So I'm going to have that coming up from the eye. I have like some details around it. This is going to come up. And so like that. And so we're gonna have this up here. And so just going to have that up there. And like just something like that for his eye section. And so now I'm just going to have it coming up. So we're gonna have like a crystal kind of thing up. Coming up, I don't know, it's like a tentacle, what am I saying? So it's a tentacle coming up. So that is gonna be right there. I need to erase that. And just going to come like that. And so now I'm just going to add like this funky stuff right here. And so like this is like, so if you don't know what Titan X is, it's a sea monster, which like is going to be, it's like a new Titan from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. So yeah, just in case you didn't know what it was. But like, yeah, we're gonna have all this fungi, so whatever it is right here. Just all of this detail, like it's like so hard to see from the picture. It's like so unclear. So we're gonna have it like that. And now I'm just going to bring this. So we're gonna have some detail on that tentacle thing. And so we have that. And now I need to zoom in because there's nothing up there. But the red won't show up. So anyway, it's gonna be like that. And now I'm just going to have, so this is, I have no idea where this goes, but so I'm just going to zoom in a bit. So long, so just like that. So now I'm gonna have a line coming up right there, have detail coming down there, and like that. And so now I'm gonna have, yeah, like this is like the row of teeth, and it's like I'm gonna have this coming right here. It's going to be like, I don't know what this is right here, but I'm gonna have that. And so, and, well, this goes out a bit. And so, I'm just going to have some teeth. Make sure these teeth are sharp too. And so, now a little bit of teeth will be right here. And his fleshy thing right there. And so, now like that. And circle thing right there. Some teeth coming right here. These are very jagged teeth, so it's kind of gonna be like that. So these teeth are just going to be sticking out random places. Like, just a little like that. And so we can just add some detail right here. And we're gonna have it like that. And so, yeah, we're gonna have it like that. And so now, and also just make sure that this is kind of the forms of a triangle shape, because if it doesn't, it's gonna look off and you might not know why. So just make sure that's a triangle shape. Like it's basically a triangle, so just make sure. And maybe I messed up. It should be like a triangle, like basically a triangle shape. So I guess that just goes up like that. And so now I'm just going to have it like that. And to have some stuff inside of the mouth. And so just going to have like just a bunch of stuff in there. So I'm gonna have it like that. And so now we should just be working on the bottom jaw now. So we're gonna have it like that. And okay, I'm gonna have to rush here because the lighting's kind of getting bad. But anyway, so I'm gonna have a line coming right here. This is a very detailed drawing, so I don't know why I did it right now, but I'm gonna have it like this. This is coming over here. And so to have it stopping right there. Have another line kind of like below it, I guess. And just like the bottom. Now we're gonna have like some tentacle things right here. So yeah, I didn't know this was a sea monster. But I'm gonna have it like this. And just this stuff coming over here. I'm gonna have that. So we're gonna have like the jaw come up like that. And so now we're gonna have it like the jaw's gonna close off right here. So yeah, we've got some of the bottom jaw. And so I'm going to just, I'm gonna erase this, or we're going to have this coming over here. I don't know why I keep messing up, but so I'm just going to erase all of this. And so, yeah, just have it like this, and just like that. And so, have it like this, these tentacle things. I forgot to add this line, but just going to be like that. And so, I'm gonna have it like this. What in the world is that sound? So, I'm going to have that coming right here. And so this long one will be like this. And have this like, and so yeah. Just all this stuff that will be way too hard to digital paint for me, but yeah, like that. And so now I'm just going to have it, so I'm gonna zoom in a bit. And so we're gonna have the other side of his face. I have this coming over here. I don't know if I should extend this or not, but I guess I will. And so we can finish like this gum line stuff now. And so, like that, and his tongue just going to come up like this. And so, just like that. And so, I don't know what there's like just random of this stuff, like, it doesn't look like teeth, but I don't know. So, just going to have like all of this grime here. And this is going to come up, curve it, and just some broken lines here and there, but we're done with the mouth. We're done with this part. I just need to add a little bit more teeth, and I guess we're done now. Okay, so it's going to be like that, and so yeah, that's going to be right there, and so I can just bring this coming up like that, and so I have it like that. Just going to have some details here. These like tentacle things around him, just like some here and there, like they're quite small. Oh my, this is going to be my it's going to be my Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla video. And it's very grainy too, so yeah, now I'm just going to have, yes, like, now we can have most of, so this is just going to come back and we can have the edge right, right there. So now I'm going to just get this over here. And so I'm just going to have this like other tentacle stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna have this coming in. So now, yeah, we're gonna have all that detail right there, and this is just going to come like that. I have to make sure there's like details like around it, so like I don't just get like so I don't not know what to do like with this stuff here. So I can't just draw some lines. I have to get creative and add something that add like lines actually like details, not just lines. I can't just add lines to a drawing. It has to be detailed too. So it's just coming down. And like just all of this tentacle stuff, like that. And so now, like, I don't have no idea what's in there, but we can bring this stuff down. And so like it's just going to come down like that. This is so grainy, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, and better off keep it like that. So I'm gonna have, oh wait, okay, so I'm gonna have it like that. Bring that down a teeny bit more. And just add some more tentacle stuff. And so we're kind of done with that neck area. And so now all we have to do left is add the tail. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to have a line coming right on the side. I'm gonna have it coming up. Like that. And we're just going to have this coming up over here. Like that. And we're almost done. So I'm just going to have to like just add this and we're just going to be done. Just adding some detail on the tail, I guess. But you just need to do this. You can also add a line next to it just to give it some more of a 3D look. And just add like some details on the edge. And we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.